You're watching RYN Creative Studio, where AI, tech, and digital products are simplified so you can work smarter, not harder.
Most people use AI completely wrong, and it's costing you time and money. AI is everywhere now, but the truth is, most people just don't know how to use it right. So, what is AI really? It's your personal assistant, your creative partner, and your efficiency booster all in one. Why does this matter? Because mastering it gives you a massive advantage. Here's a simple example. Instead of asking it a basic question, you can give it a role and context for a perfect result. What most people do wrong is they treat it like a simple search engine. The better way is to think of it as a collaborator. Give it clear, detailed instructions. This simple shift saves you hours and can seriously boost your income. If you remember one thing, it's this. The quality of your AI output depends entirely on the quality of your input. Follow 4 more tips on AI tech and digital products.